Hello everyone, welcome to QRShow. Today, we will explore how to use QRShow QR Code Generator to create an all-in-one QR code. This QR code can integrate multiple information such as website links, social media, contact information, etc., which is very suitable for modern marketing needs. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what an all-in-one QR code is. Unlike traditional QR codes that can only link to one URL or information, an all-in-one QR code can direct users to a landing page with multiple links. This is perfect for sharing your social media profile, contact information, and more, all with just one scan. This QR code makes information delivery more efficient. To create an all-in-one QR code, we'll use a tool called Imaphone QRShow. It's user-friendly and offers a variety of customization options. Let's go through it step by step. Firstly, visit the QRShow website, https://qrcode.myf1.com/ click dashboard and then log in or sign into your account. On the main interface, select the Create QR Code option. This will lead you to an interface where you can add multiple types of information. For example, enter your website URL, social media links, email addresses, or even phone numbers. Next, we will show you how to use QRShow to generate an all-in-one social media QR code. Choose Social Profile and give it a title and choose a template you like for your social media profile. Then choose the social media you want to link to. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Then link to the relevant social media profile. After that, click Next to proceed to the next step and name your QR code. QRShow also allows you to customize the appearance of the QR code. You can choose different colors, styles, and even add your brand logo to ensure that the QR code is consistent with your brand image. After completing all the settings, click the Generate button and your all-in-one QR code is ready. You can download the QR code or share it directly with your customers and friends. That's all about creating a one code for multiple uses QR code using QRShow. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.